Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. But before that, a very happy new year. I wish that all your wishes, dreams come true. You be with your family, your loved ones, take care of them, take care of yourself, be mentally and physically fit. Let all your goals be achieved in 2024. So now here we go. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topics, that is income tax declaration. So, most of us who are salaried employees would have started receiving emails from our HRs that you need to declare proofs of the income tax declarations that you would have nominated during the start of the year. So, start of the year can be you're joining the organization or whatever the start of the year that your organization follows. So, you can understand this by connecting your HR. Okay, so there are certain categories in which you can get deductions. And why do you need deductions? So that you can pay less taxes. Okay, so less taxes that everyone, whoever is working, is eligible for an income tax deduction. So to reduce that or minimize that, you have to do certain investments. Investments are needed to make your life a little better and you also secure for your future, plus you pay certain amount to the government so that the functionalities continue. This is the major aspect of the tax. Okay, so little amount the government takes and then they work this for us only is what we understand. Now let's come back to the income tax declaration proofs. So what all does it consist? First of all, let's understand it can be in two regimes. One is old regime and other one is the new regime. So if most of us, if we would have opted for new regime, until 7 lakhs, there's no tax. Okay. So you may not need to do declaration because there are certain components which your organization itself would work around. Now, second category is the old regime. So, old regime means you have to show the income proofs. That means you would have done certain investments in the financial year for which you're claiming the deductions. Okay. So, these are categorized into different fields. So, you can claim deduction under 80C, 80E, 80CCD, 80CC. There are multiple other things that are involved. So 80C is a basic type of deduction wherein you can show your PF, HRA, ELSS, ULIP. There are other components which are involved. Then there's a certain category for National Pension Scheme. 80C also has Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. It's recently launched a couple of years ago. And that is for parents who want to invest for their kids, specifically girl child. Okay, then if you have home loan, there are two components in this. One is principal amount and other one is interest amount. So both are eligible for deductions. One has separate aspect in home loan interest and other one has separate component in the interest amount. So you can check for this also. Government also wants you to get upskilled. So if you take an education loan, there is a certain deduction for that as well, for your loan. Next category is in terms of health. So your health is important. So if you pay premium to a certain amount, you get deductions. Next category is government also wants that you take care of your parents. Okay. So if you take care of your parents, if you pay premium for that, you get deductions for that also. So this is another category. So these are a couple of categories that you can explore. Plus if you give donations, you support the handicapped people. There are multiple donations and options available. You can go through any of the website. Just search the deductions and payment proofs which we can use to save our taxes as per Indian law. And you can get lots of examples. So just keep those handy. Your organization would give you possibly a 10 days time or a 15 days time in which you need to give these proofs and do a final submission. So ideally these proofs should be physical, and if your organization has a provision to get it online, you can share it online also. But just do this, else the entire amount may get deducted in the next 3 months time, and that can be huge. That can be a shocker also. So do plan accordingly. Ideally tax planning should start at the start, not at the end, but still you have couple of options like 50,000 you can invest in an NPS if that's a shortfall. So just explore all these things is what I can recommend, and just do the proof submissions, that would be beneficial. With this, I would like to say bye for this particular video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll be talking and discussing more things as in when we arrive to next topics. Okay, all the best. Thank you.